wetland or peatlands. They are the hotspot of biodiversity.
Peatlands store globally twice as much carbon as all forest biomass, but only on 3% of the global land area.
Despite their ecological importance, wetlands are among Europe's most endangered ecosystems. For centuries, they've been drained for agriculture, forestry, peat mining or urban planning.
When peatlands are drained, it is basically like with canned food. If you preserve food in a can, it can hold forever. But if you open it and it gets exposed to the atmosphere and you remove the water, it will eventually rot away. And that is the same with peatlands. As long as it's locked under water and restored, it will keep the carbon forever. When you drain it, it will just release it in greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide or nitrous oxide.
In fact, drained peatlands in the EU emit about 220 megatons CO2 per year. This needs to stop. That is why the research project Wet Horizons aims to boost wetland restoration across Europe.
In this project, we're not only trying to quantify the effectiveness of different technologies. At the same time, we are going to use economic assessment and also social assessment to see the influence of these technologies, the interactions with the local farmers and also with different stakeholders and different beneficiaries.
To gather all the necessary information, the project will collect data from 25 wetlands across Europe and include citizen science. This data will be used to develop an app and workable tools for decision makers to boost the wetland restoration process.
There are only benefits of restoring peatlands. Peatlands are pretty, versatile and full of unique ecosystem aspects that include biodiversity. They have great capacities for climate change mitigation. So it's just an exciting topic.